Get in.
It's probably not a good idea.
I didn't ask you. Shut the door.
What are you doing? You have to get me out of here. Turn the car on. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill you too.
No one's gonna kill me. Where did you get that tattoo?
What are you talking about? You gotta go.
In Gombe. Where did you get it?
Guys, we should probably get going.
No, not until she tells me where she got it.
I don't know.
Don't know.
Fine, okay, fine. I'll take it where I gotta just go.
Oh, what are you gonna do, you stupid little whore?
So, which way is it?